Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for the Maldives, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your secure and private browsing while you're visiting the Maldives. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for the Maldives? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your connection stays private from hackers and intrusive government surveillance you often find on public Wi-Fi in the Maldives. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, protecting you from accidental exposure on those often unsecured Maldivian networks. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning none of your online activities in the Maldives get recorded. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters when you're in the Maldives. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best choice for the Maldives because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data gets wiped clean with every reboot, a major privacy plus when you're hopping between resorts. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams targeting tourists, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you connect with friends safely across different devices. A handy feature if you want a secure connection no matter where you're island hopping. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at once. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They offer unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your phone, tablet, and laptop all at the same time while exploring the Maldives. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any privacy-conscious user can verify there are no backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and runs its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable, reliable connection for you while online in the Maldives. And for anyone dealing with spotty Wi-Fi on remote islands, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for better connection speeds. This can help route your traffic more efficiently for a smoother experience. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for use in the Maldives? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster streaming, quicker downloads, and lag-free calls while you relax on the beach. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies, with speeds that change depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose when heading to the Maldives? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if you want the fastest connection and top-tier features to keep your online activity secure while enjoying the islands. Go with IPVanish if you're traveling with a group or have lots of devices to protect, since its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer great value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or really prioritize transparency and privacy with proven no-logs policies. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running while exploring the Maldives. See you soon.